Fam, I ordered some bomb clothes off of Amazon. I have not tried anything on yet. Let's get into it. Let's see what's cute, what's worth it, what's not, what's good. Let's go. Okay, I felt like we should start off strong. I love this. It is giving, come on Barbie, let's go party. So it is this adorable pink velvet stretch dress. I love this kind of interesting neckline that cuts in a little bit. It has a band right below the bust that kind of pulls in the waist. And then look at this cute little detail. So you can tie those yourselves. I love tying it in a bow. It is a mini dress, but it's not outrageous. So I'll turn around in a minute so you can get an idea for the bum coverage. It has this nice little thigh slit. Fits, I would say true to size, but the thing is now everything on Amazon is just running so small, and I know that can't just be me, but post-COVID, sizing changed. And so I'll have all of my measurements and then the sizes I ordered things in with the links in the description box down below, so you can use that as a reference. Milumia, this brand, is usually really good about being accurate with their sizing, so I've had a good experience with them, but I know it's nice just to always have a little help. Love the color, love the fit, and the quality is solid. On the inside, it's like a little bit of a silkier material, so it's not overwhelmingly hot, but I think this is so cute. Okay, now we've got a lot to live up to. Fam, okay, I've been seeing all these dresses that are sexy, that kind of do this, what this dress is doing, like the outline of a body, and I feel like it's so flattering. Like, look, you can see they kind of outline your bust and your waist with this pattern that makes it look like almost like you're wearing wet fabric. I love this. This makes me feel super confident. I think it's very flattering. It's a stretchy fabric. It is skin tight. I think it's supposed to be, so I don't want to say it doesn't run true to size. My mom was just saying, and I agree, I like the neckline. It's comfortable. It's great for summer. We've got trips coming up. There's a slit, so it's super easy to walk in. You can see I'm 5'6", and at its lowest point, it's hitting right at my ankle. Love the colors, love the fit, love the effect. Wow. For me, we are knocking it out of the park. What do you guys think? There's a bunch of other dresses like this that I've been a little too, I guess, like intimidated to try, but now that I've got this on and I like it so much, I'm going back for more. Okay, fam, what do we think about this? This was one I was unsure of. I've got it in and it's cute, but I might need you guys to hype me up to wear it. Okay, it's this cute little floral dress. Look, the pattern up close, you can see cute pink flowers, green leaves. This is a functional tie right here. They've got a ruffle over the top of the bust that kind of matches the ruffle sleeve, and then the hem, very ruched, very fitted once again. But like I said, I think these are supposed to be, so I don't want to say they run small. Really cute, decent length. It's hitting mid-thigh. Super summery, sweet, fun. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this definitely reminds me of a dress that I saw one of the F1 Formula One wags wearing to Wimbledon. It's giving kind of that vibe, and I loved that dress. But I'm curious to see what you guys think. Lots of stretch in the fabric, kind of a cool spandexy feeling fabric, so I think it'd be really comfortable, really sweet. I do have some fun summer trips coming up, and I can totally see this being part of a lookbook for that. I'll keep you guys posted. This actually took it off the shoulder, and I think I might like that more. But also register your opinion kindly, please, in the comments down below. What do we think? All right, fam, we have a little black dress. Now this is off the shoulder. I kind of like it's not exactly just like a straight line off the shoulder. If you see, it almost kind of dips in a little bit, mimicking an extreme boat neck. It has a nice flare sleeve. It's cut pretty mini, but one thing I want you guys to know is it's lined with one material, and then it has a mesh overlay. So I feel very much like covered. When I saw it online, I wondered how mesh it was. It's not. Everything's totally opaque. The mesh is just there to add kind of like some interesting texture, and I think it definitely does. I will size up in this. I would have sized up in this if I would have known how small it runs. I want the fit to be a little looser like it is on the model. It's not bad, it's just a little tight for my taste, but this is a classic little black dress, easy, quick shipping, good cost, good material, decent quality, nice fit. So really not much to complain about here. I like it. Classic. I absolutely love this. This is a two-piece set, and I love a two-piece set because I think it brings you a lot of value for your money, especially when pieces like this little shawl are totally detachable. I can use this and style it over other looks. I can wear the dress separately. I can, you know, layer other things on top of the dress. I'm a sucker for a two-piece set, and I think this one looks so cute together. I love the shawl layered over the dress. This is a really nice knit material. I'm actually gonna come up close so you guys can see. So it's very warm, really. It's warm, it's soft, it's not making me feel allergic. It's kind of a fun taupey oatmeal color, and it's just a strapless maxi with a slit. It's not a maxi actually, it's a midi. You can see it's not quite at my ankle, and I'm 5'6", so I just want you to be aware of that because I know on different heights this is going to look differently. Fits really well. I think that this would be a great candidate for me personally to put shapewear on with, to look my absolute best, just because it wants to show everything. But I think it's beautiful and fun and sweet and different, and it's super comfortable. Where would you guys wear this? What do you guys think this is perfect for? Let me know. Okay, I got this blouse from Milumia. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see. I thought it was blue and white on the website. It's actually kind of blue and cream with a tan stripe through the middle that's really small. And it's really a soft, very, like, you can see it's not starchy at all, like a traditional blouse that you think of, and I think that makes it more comfortable. It's got these really nice wide cuffs with 2 buttons. I love always just rolling the sleeves of a blouse up like this. I think it looks so chic and nice. Blue and white blouses. I mean, you guys have seen countless of these on my past hauls. I just have a weakness for them. I think they look so classic, so sleek, so, yeah, just clean and easy to style. They make anything look elevated. I even love sometimes just to unbutton them and wear them kind of off the shoulder, but look at this. So simple, and the fabric is just, I know I said earlier, you can see it has a lot of movement. It's really slick and almost swishy, so it's more comfortable than other materials that I've had. Just plain and easy. What would you guys put this with? I want to put it with a pair of cream trousers or cream shorts, a straw hat, and some white tennis shoes for a fun day of travel. That's what I'm thinking of right now. I'm in Nashville, and I'm always grateful to be wherever I am, but I'm looking outside right now and there's snow laying on the ground and it's cold and gray, and I'm like, oh, take me to the beach. I also got this blue and white striped blouse, and I couldn't tell on the website, but it's actually a cropped sleeve, which kind of makes it look like a blouse that you've rolled up over your elbows, but look. That's what that looks like. This is pure blue and white. This is more of a linen type material, so it really does feel summery. It's got white buttons, a nice collar, just a different feel. The other one feels like a little bit more, you could pull it off at work. This one feels way more beachy to me. But again, just a nice kind of classic look. But am I feeling, I don't know if I'm feeling the sleeve or not. What do y'all think? Plenty of length. Look, be a cute cover up. That's what Maris, when she saw it, it's like it'd be really cute over a swimsuit and it wouldn't be too hot because it's breathable and you don't have to worry about the sleeves slapping down. So maybe that's the best use of this item. It would be cute on a Disney cruise, very nautical with the blue and white stripe. Comfortable, good fit, good quality material. I'm just not sure about the sleeve. All right, next up we have this black mesh shirt. I had a black mesh shirt that I loved forever and ever, and it got taken on a shoot that I was on, and I've never found it again and never found a replacement, and I'm trying to replace it. Now this is not exact, but this is so cute. Now, admittedly, I need the correct undergarments. I'm trying to use this little top fold here. This is how the garment is supposed to be styled, to hide my nude undergarments, but it's not doing that effectively enough for me to feel comfortable wearing out. So I definitely recommend either wearing a black strapless bra or a black strapless tank underneath, because you can see the middle is very sheer and the sleeves are sheer, but I really love it. There's this dress that I keep getting targeted ads for that looks just like this. Basically, this top's like with the skirt looks exactly like this dress I've been wanting, so super excited about that. I could probably have sized up in this just to have a little less tension. I like that it's not falling and that I don't have to fight it, but I think if I had a little less tension, that this flap right here that covers your undergarment would stay put. Love the detail on the sleeve. Look, it has a little bell sleeve that's split, It is just so, yeah, cute and different, and I know that I will wear this all the time. All right, I know you guys are probably sick of me ordering these little mesh tops, but it's just something I found that I like and I feel confident in, so I keep getting them every haul. I saw this one, I thought the colors were so pretty. It's purple, blue, and orange. I put on just a little black sports bra underneath to kind of mimic like a tank top. And oh, here's the length, so you can see it hits right at my hip bones. So plenty of coverage, like not cropped. I know that everything, at least to me, seems cropped now. Really comfortable, breathable. I think just dark undergarments would work best with this. Fun, kind of nostalgic for those tattoo shirts when I was growing up, which I loved. And nice feeling fabric. It feels comfortable on, has plenty of stretch, fits true to size, breathable. I love these, and I hope you're not too sick of it because I have a bodysuit almost exactly like this next. Yeah, there's another one. This is the other one. It's obviously a more muted color palette. It's black with a little bit of blue, periwinkle, brown, and gray. The colors are actually really beautiful in person. I really love this little lettuce trim, and kind of like it's a mock turtleneck and a sleeve. And this one's actually a bodysuit, has snaps at the bottom, feels very comfortable. The sides are cut up pretty nice and high, which is more comfortable to me. Whenever I have something cutting right across my hips, I feel like it always feels too tight and makes me uncomfortable and just rubs me the wrong way. This one I love. I think I'll wear this one a lot because I tend to go more towards neutrals. It's fun to have the color, but I like this one. I think it looks great just with this skirt. Just don't be surprised and don't be upset if you see more of these soon because I am loving them. All right, fam, and last but certainly not least, we got these adorable pajamas. Now, I want you guys to notice there's a little ruffle hem on the pants, and then here on the arms. I'll come up close so you can see it's so sweet. The whole piping that's white that you can kind of see is all a little bit like a lettuce trim. It's this soft, crepey fabric. They're so soft, they fit so comfortably. I love the white detail. It just makes it like feel like luxurious, classic, older pajamas. And look at the detail on the fabric. I hope y'all can see. Yeah, really soft, really crepey, plenty of stretch, feels so comfortable on. I love the notched lapel. That also feels really classic. This is just an elastic waist, no drawstring, no nothing. Look how much give. Super comfy, super cute, perfect spring pajamas. These are some of my favorite I've gotten off of Amazon lately, and I have to say I think a lot of that's the fabric. A lot of things now are those silk, but they make them small with not enough fabric, so you feel restricted when you sleep in them. But these have give. I can't wait to wear these. Okay, so I got a huge pack of underwear. Now, admittedly, I had ordered some of these off of Amazon from a different brand, and I love them so much that when I saw Milumia had them, they're one of my favorite stores just because they're super reliable. I had to get them. Look at all the colors. Great neutrals, super soft, totally seamless. I mean, extremely comfortable, fit true to size. Look at how many you get. And I personally love the cut of these. They're a V cut, and they're not like, obviously like a thong style underwear, but not like crazy small or anything like that. I love these. They're my new favorite undies. You will love them too. Thank me later. All right, fam, that is it. Like I said, links to everything will be in the description box down below with my sizes and the sizes I ordered these things in. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Special thank you, as always, to my live chat crew. Live chat crew, I love you so much. If you're wondering what that is an incredible group of people that congregate here on my premieres. We talk, we catch up, and we just offer each other a lot of support and community, and we'd love for you to join. So join us on my premieres. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you know when that's happening. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!